this controversy over the alleged use of pellet guns by the RAF or the Rapid Action Force on the 20th of July protest. Now, this is a big development where the CRPF Director General Gyanendra Pratap Singh has now publicly backed his personnel. So now, speaking at the CRPF investiture ceremony, the DG meanwhile has assured the officers that he would take complete responsibility for all of the decisions that has been taken in bona fide discharge of their duties. So Priyank, this is big. We are talking about general diary entry, as well as when it comes to now the DG himself coming out to urge his personnel to continue performing their duties fearlessly, saying that wherever accountability is required, he would take the said responsibility as the DG or Director General.
Yes, certainly, Amitabh, why wouldn't he? Because he's the one who has been in charge of wiping out the Naxalism from the country. GP Singh had managed to, wipe out the Naxalism after 40 years of the dominance which the Naxals had in multiple districts of Chhattisgarh, Odisha and other areas. Since this fresh controversy has begun, and it is quite clear on papers that the RAF was deployed on the instructions of the Delhi police. So this is the kind of indication which is coming out from GP Singh himself, that anyone who has performed his duty with full due diligence will be backed by the CRPF unit, and the DGP will himself also take responsibility of any kind of action which is being done by the force, which means that the forces will not be let alone to fight any kind of legal battle which is expected to come. What is very important that on Monday, the CRPF will also submit its report regarding this alleged controversy of use of pellet guns, whether it was used or not, in what circumstances it was used, how many pellet guns were used, and what was the kind of scenario for the security forces when it was a life-threatening situation for them. So every report, the internal inquiry report will be submitted before the apex court.
So we're going to put out exactly what he has said, because this controversy has now gone up before the Supreme Court as far as in its petition is now concerned, seeking the decommissioning or a ban of the use of metallic kinetic projectiles or the use of pellet guns. Please to stay on with us, Priyank. Let's listen into the DG himself on what he has to say.
मैं बल के महानिदेशक, बल के प्रमुख के रूप में आप सभी को यह विश्वास दिलाना चाहता हूं, चाहे हमारी ऑपरेशनल बटालियंस हों, चाहे हमारी लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की यूनिट्स हों, आप सभी राष्ट्रहित में, जनहित में, बल हित में जो भी निर्णय लेते हैं, जो भी एक्शन लेते हैं, जो कि बोनाफाइड डिस्चार्ज ऑफ ड्यूटी में है, उन सभी निर्णयों का और उन सभी एक्शंस का संपूर्ण रूप से बल के प्रमुख के रूप में दायित्व मेरा है। आप अपना काम निर्भय होकर करते रहें। जहां भी जो भी दायित्व लेना होगा, वह संपूर्ण रूप से मैं महानिदेशक के तौर पर लूंगा। इस चीज को मैं आज फिर आप सभी के सामने दोहराना चाहता हूं।
I am accountable for every decision taken. That is a big statement coming in from the CRPF Director General Gyanendra Pratap Singh, who has now publicly backed his personnel. Thank you very much, Priyank, for joining us. And of course, with this big development that has now happened, we'll be following up on reactions that also come in from the opposition side. We've seen the kind of the way that protest that had now followed in the parliament yesterday, where the opposition has gone to the extent as much as seeking the resignation of the Union Home Minister. With that, we